Hola, Miss Beth here with your instructions for today. Okay, for your actividad inicial, your warm-up, you have to list 5 words in Spanish that you learned from the first section of Para Empezar. That's the section that we just finished. We learned a lot of vocabulary in that first section, so you just need to write 5 words you learned, new words that you got. Try not to write hola because most of you knew hola before I taught you that. So just use words that you learn. And you're going to use this text entry box for 10 points. That's for your warm-up. Remember that it's very important that you do your warm-up because that adds up for find a grade for warm-up that I'm going to be putting at the end of the term. Here you will find your video. Oh, you need to sign in for your attendance here. Okay, here we go. In the next section of chapter Para Empezar is called En la clase. You will learn about school items and class-related vocabulary, as well as the alphabet in Spanish, alphabet in Spanish, months, days, dates, and calendar. So that's what we're going to be learning in this next section. The first thing you're going to do today is you're going to copy these notes. It's about nouns. So you're going to copy these notes. It talks about the masculine and feminine form. You're going to learn more about that. In Spanish, the nouns have a gender. And then some are masculine and some are feminine. They have gender and it has number. So the masculine forms is most nouns that end in O are masculine. Not all of them, but most of them. And the ones that end in A are feminine. And according to that, you put these articles, el or la. And here's different articles, el and la, that help you to understand if it's masculine and feminine. What is important to know if the noun is masculine or feminine? Because in the future, we're going to be working with adjectives too, and then they have to match. So that's what is important. You're going to copy these notes. Is just nouns, talking, nouns, same in Spanish and in English, just name animals, place, things, ideas, etc. And the only thing that we're adding is that they have a gender, masculine or feminine. And please, you need to draw these charts in your notebook. That's the notes for your notebook. Then you're going to draw, color, and label these new words in your notebook. When you open this one, you have these new words that are vocabulary words related to the classroom items. So here you have el estudiante, that's masculine, la estudiante, that's feminine. And estudiante is the same noun, but you know that this is a boy because of this subject, el, and you know this is a girl because of the subject, la. Same with el profesor, la profesora. In this case, yes, it's el, la, but you see the word also changed. Profesor and profesora. So this one ends in A. And the sentences they're using here is ¿qué quiere decir lápiz? Quiere decir pencil. So what does lápiz mean? It means pencil. That's what the sentence says. And this one is ¿cómo se dice book en español? Se dice libro. So the question is asking, how do you say book in Spanish? And the answer is, it says book, libro, libro. And then you have some words here, el pupitre, el bolígrafo, la carpeta, el lápiz, el cuaderno, la hoja de papel, el libro. Those are words that I want you to practice. El estudiante, el profesor, la estudiante, la profesora, and these ones that I just said. Please listen and repeat the words so you learn these words. Once you have those in your notebook, you are going to study the vocabulary. Is vocabulario nuevo uno, and you have the list of the words right here, and you also have a link to go to a Quizlet so you can practice the words. Here's your flashcards so you can study. You want to hear the words, you just need to go to Aprender No. You go to, just 1 second. Okay, now I open it in the way that you can listen.
¿Cómo te llamas?
So they say the words. Let me put this here so you can see the phrase or the question.
¿Cómo te llamas?
And then you can flip it and
Me llamo.
okay. So there you can learn your words, practice your words, and I'm gonna give you points. I think I put it here. Yes, you have participation points. You're gonna have participation points today for playing that Quizlet Live. So you practice this vocabulary in the Quizlet, and then we're gonna play. And as usual, I give you points for participating in the game. And remember that those points you cannot make up. So you need to be connected to the class so you can get those points. That's 10 points that can help your grade. And you're going to keep practicing the alphabet sounds. Once we finish, we have time in the class. Today is very important that you remember that the term is almost over. And I need you to work on your makeup work. So that will be a priority before the writing the notes or drawing and coloring all that. A priority will be that you complete your late work and you turn it in your late work Google form. Please do so I can have this work before the term is over. So that's it. I'll see you during class. I'll be there to help you with anything that you need. See you later. Adios.